Hey, how you doing, YouTubers? Today we'll be going over the best equipment and lighting for YouTube beginners. So, with that said, man, I'll be sharing with you guys, two packages in order to get, one versus other, and I'll recommend towards the end which one that I recommend. So we'll kind of go from there, but thank you guys so much for tuning in, and so we're going to go ahead and get into it. So let's do so. Here we go. Now, the first one that I want to, package number one, that I want to focus on is to go over the Fovitec. That's the lighting that I would recommend for you to get. And so if any of you guys are wondering which, hey, is this package going to be down below and all this stuff, or do I got to write it all down and everything? Just sit back and listen. I'll have it in the description, package number one and package number two, okay? As well as links in order to buy it on Amazon, okay? So with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first one, like I said, package number one, what I would recommend is this. Who is this? Get out of the way, dude. Okay, yeah. I don't know who that guy was, but we're going to keep rolling. So what I would say in regards to this is this right here is what I would recommend for lighting. The reason that I'd recommend this one is a couple of things. The uses of it, you can use it for portraits, products, and also video. The benefits to it is it's got soft light, easy setup, and it's very convenient, okay? The cons that I would say in regards to this, you do not get a carrying case in order to carry all this stuff, so you'll have to figure out where to put that. Bam, that's what I would say for lighting for package number one. As far as equipment goes, the next thing that I would recommend is this Reticam tabletop tripod with a 3-way pan, okay? This thing is amazing. You can, like it says here, this is complete tabletop for digital cameras, DSLR cameras, camcorders. But mainly what I'll be, telling you about, I have an iPhone 8. And so that's what I would be using this for. This thing, cranks up pretty high. You can also loosen that top up and move it back and forward. And I'd highly recommend this. And so, again, like I said, man, I would use this with my iPhone. I have an iPhone 8. So when I got this in the mail, I was so excited to get started and start recording and everything. But little did I know, it did not come with a smartphone holder. Suckers. So with that said, I ended up having to go back to Amazon and buy this joker, this Vastar Universal Smartphone tripod. This is the adapter for cell phone holder mount that you can add to that tripod that would help to hold your smartphone in place. And so I just kind of want to say to you guys, man, you guys need to know that, be encouraged, feel privileged, because I'm going to tell you right now, it took me 6 months to figure all this out. I had to go trying to figure out, where do I get lighting, or what do I need to do, and you know what I'm saying. And I even told Dee that I paid somebody $75. I got tired of looking at this and that because there's so many different options out there, that I paid somebody, a guy who's a videographer, $75 to tell me what all equipment in order to get. And this was after I had got, two pieces of this item. The only thing he really helped me with was the lighting, stuff for lighting to get, but not necessarily, this smartphone holder, as well as even the Reticam tabletop. So you guys are getting a complete package, something that I didn't get. This alone is worth hours and hours and hours online and on YouTube and all that stuff. Because so I just really want you to know, feel privileged, feel grateful for this. This is not easy stuff to come by. when you get into business, I'm not going off on a rant, but I just want to tell you, when you get into business, time is of the essence. You know what I'm saying? And so, it's not, and we're in the information age, but it's not about information. We're in information overload age, actually. And so with that said, what I mean is that there's so many different options out there. We need to know what are the best options and who can lead me to that. So how do I discern between what is the best and to guide towards that? Because there's many different options. So anyway, just kind of wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna get off my soapbox on that and keep moving. So the next one that I would get in regards to this, and I just recently really figured this one out. I was using my just iPhone sound on there. Oh man. And then I bought this about a couple of months ago, but I had been doing video for about almost since 2017, and I just discovered this in 2020 in January. I bought this thing, and oh my goodness, it is only $9. And I tried to get something like this at Best Buy. I tried to go to Best Buy inside the stores just to get another one. Man, it doesn't even compare, man. Buy this thing. This thing is amazing. And so what I'm going to do is actually put a couple of little tracks in here, in this connected to this video, right after this, that shows you the different quality between me using just my regular iPhone, a regular iPhone speaker versus this thing that I'll have connected to it. So I'll do a little short snippet and just do testing. So you'll see that in the next few seconds. Yo, testing. This is the regular mic for the iPhone 8. Just wanted you guys to get a test of it. Here we go. Hey, yo, this is the ultimate lavalier testing, so you can see the difference between this and the regular iPhone. Yeah. Cool. So that is package number 1. This right here, this lavalier microphone, is going to be interchangeable through the 2 packages. So this is the only interchangeable one. So I like about this setup, another pro to it is that you can set this up in many different places, and I'll probably provide some pictures on what that looks like on how it could be set up. So anyway, all right, that's package number 1, and with all that stuff, it comes together in a total of like $160 total, and that should be including tax. Okay, package number 2. D asked about this, is the ring light with remote controller and stand pad. This is an all-in-one package. The only thing that needs to be added to this would be that ultimate lavalier microphone, you know what I'm saying, that I just showed you right beforehand. And so this right here is the total package. What I like about this is that the pros with it is that it has a remote control with it. It also has a stand for an iPad holder and a smartphone holder. You know what I'm saying? And so that's pretty dope. The other thing that I like about it is that you can put 2 holders on one stand. So right here in the middle, you can have 2 different stands, 2 different things inside of there. So 2 different holders. So if that makes sense. I will provide a video below on YouTube that you can check out that just gives a review on this ring light with remote controller and everything. And I thought it was a very good, overview of it. And so that'll be good for you. The cons that I would say, you're limited in your shots that you can take. As you can see, even in my video, you're able to get the background and everything like that. But with the ring, it's like your face is up close, and they're just going on your face. And so if you want to do other things, and hey, your face is nice and all that stuff, but sometimes people want to see some other stuff like this, as you see around me. Also, if you wear glasses, I believe that there will be a glare on there, but some people don't wear glasses. So, so that's what I would say there. So this plus the lavalier, ultimate lavalier microphone for bloopers bloggers, bloopers. Anyway, that comes out to about $180 with tax. Okay. So this is, you got to figure out what you're actually going to be using this for. Is it going to be in your home, or is it going to be, are you going to be going out and about, or are you going to be going traveling and all that stuff? Package number 1 would be better, I would say, for traveling if you're going to different spaces. Also, the package number 2 with this ring light, I feel like it's very limited in where you can place it and put it at. Okay, put it in front of your desk, or put it in front of your, front of your bed, or in front of the couch. But it's just limited spaces that I feel that you can put it at, and limited view where it's just your face. You know what I'm saying? So maybe you could possibly move it back, but I don't think the lighting would be that good if you were to move it back from you, and all that good stuff. So all right, man, bonus time. So if that is too much for you, man, I got a bonus package number 3. And I'm a big firm believer in start where you are, because that's what I did. I started where I was. So what I would say in bonus package number 3, and this will not be in the description, so you'll want to take notes on this. What I would recommend in regards to this one, if you can't afford, the lighting, do the Reticam tabletop, as well as the universal smartphone tripod holder, and lastly the lavalier microphone. So those 3 together comes out to about $60, and this also depends on where you're actually where you're recording. Are you going to be recording at nighttime where it's dark, or in the morning? Because if you're doing it in the morning, the pros to that is you can use natural light. So I would say, somebody told me this, is that if you're next to a window, put the phone in front of the window facing towards you, because the natural light that's coming in would accentuate your face and bring it out more. Okay, and then that's the better lighting that you can get during the day. As far as nighttime, that's the con. You're shooting at night. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to get good lighting, because you won't have a lighting kit. So, but hey, that's $60 with tax. And I'm a big proponent on start with where you are. Your people want to grow with you. People want to grow with you in regards to your business. They want to see you excel, and it's the same in anything. If you're doing YouTube, or you're doing Instagram, you can go and look at some of my old videos. They sucked. I'm just going to be honest with you, but people want to grow with you. So that is the 3 packages. You got a bonus package there. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, if you caught any value from this video, please drop a like, and also subscribe, and share this with one other person, man. I'm trying to spread the love to other people who could benefit from this. But hey, this is Artiz Strouds. I'm signing out. I'll be dropping content. I'm the life coach and entrepreneur, dropping content Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 noon. So let your people know about me in regards to this, and get them running. So the #1 channel for real raw entrepreneurship, and we'll be changing some things up, come this week. So be looking forward to those changes. All right, well, until next time, I'm going to be signing out, and hey, take care. Peace.